Hey guys, today we're talking about something interesting, YFSX and VIN. I keep hearing it's not a project, but a system. What does that even mean?
Yeah, that's actually the key point. Most crypto projects are built around teams, narratives, or hype. YFSX and VIN is different. It's built on mechanism. It's a dual token DeFi ecosystem on the BNB Smart Chain. YFSX is the governance and deflationary token, while VIN is the application and reward token. And everything runs through smart contracts. No team control, no admin, no backdoor.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Like, what happens when people trade?
Good question. Every transaction triggers three things automatically: burn, reducing supply; liquidity, strengthening the pool; and rewards distributed to participants. So instead of value leaving the system, it keeps circulating inside it. That's why we say it's not speculation, it's participation in a system.
What about the two tokens? Why both YFSX and VIN?
They work together. YFSX handles deflation, making supply more scarce. VIN handles rewards, giving ongoing value to holders. It creates a powerful activity loop. Everything is on-chain and transparent. Instead of trusting people, you're relying on code.
But let's be honest, we've seen DeFi projects before. What makes this not just another version of the same thing?
That's where structure matters. Most DeFi projects still have layers of control by teams, admin keys, insider allocations. But here, those layers are removed. There is no team allocation, no private sale, no centralized control. The rules are fixed from the start.
Doesn't that also mean no one can fix anything if something goes wrong?
Yes, and that's exactly why the design matters up front. Instead of relying on people to fix problems later, the system is designed to minimize those risks from the beginning. It shifts the focus from trusting people to understanding the structure.
All right, let's talk about the real concern, the big money. Can whales manipulate it?
They can participate, but not in the same way as traditional markets. If a large holder tries to dump, they don't just impact price, because they also pay transaction fees, trigger burn, and distribute rewards to everyone else. So their action actually feeds the system.
So instead of extracting value, they're contributing to it?
Exactly. That doesn't mean markets don't move, but it changes how value flows. The system absorbs activity instead of being dominated by it.
Okay, so structurally it sounds different, but what has it actually achieved so far?
A few important things. It's been running for over 4 years, which have tens of thousands of participants, and YFSX and VIN integrated with major assets like Ethereum, BNB, LTC. And it's gone through security audits by CertiK with a top-tier security score of 100. So this isn't just theory, but it's already operating in real conditions.
And where does it go from here?
The focus is long-term expansion, growing the liquidity network, strengthening governance through YFSX, expanding VIN's use cases, exploring cross-chain integrations. The idea is to evolve into a broader ecosystem, not just a token pair.
So if you had to explain it simply, what is YFSX and VIN?
It's not something you just trade, it's something you participate in. A system where the rules are fixed, value is driven by activity, and no single entity controls the outcome.
All right, I'll admit that's a different way to think about it.
Exactly. It is not hype, not promises, but just mechanism. In YFSX and VIN, you don't trust people, you understand the system.
All right, thank you for your clarification and thank you for joining us today.